always said this. This is a very difficult business to do well in because you're competing against yourself. You're misinformed. You're giving so much improper information, and there's so many people out there masquerading as someone that knows what they're doing. And all of that is a disadvantage for you. And it's almost like a landmine field laying in front of you. And you really need to know where to step, because if you step the wrong place at the wrong time, it's over. And if you do it enough times, no matter how strong you feel about conquering this and knowing that there's going to be periods of adversity, at some point, even the best of you will want to throw in the towel and quit. I'm here to tell you, don't ever quit. It doesn't cost you anything to watch these videos except for the time that you invest. Adversity, at some point, even the best of you will want to throw in the towel and quit. I'm here to tell you.
What up, guys? Welcome to a London session today. I don't do normally London session, but I cannot make it today for New York, so let's see what's up. Dollar still bullish as hell. Is no fun, man. No fun, but we're most likely to reach into this area. Highly probable we're going into that area today. It's 45 pips away, so that would make USD CAD go bullish too. And we're probably gonna leave this area open, which I thought would be the drawn liquidity for London session, because there's an unmitigated order block. So yeah, probably gonna take out the high first, and then we'll have to see where it goes. Highly likely we're gonna take out these highs here. Let me put on some music. Okay, welcome. Good morning, guys. Elias, Gary, familiar voice. Yeah, that's me. That's me. Alternate strings, welcome back. Rocca, how you doing? Diogo, really nice guy. Back again. DK, back again. Double design, back again. Sunshine, back again. Yeah, forget about that GU low. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Music is not too loud, I hope. I don't think so. Right, so early, man. Let me see what's up. So we took out that swing low from the Corona swing low. Yeah, it's not stopping anytime soon it seems, because DXY is not done yet taking out this high. So EU down, GU down, still this order block probably not gonna hold. Yeah, we have the weekly candle hasn't closed yet, so like I told yesterday, this area was the draw. We're in it right now, so I have no clue what it wants to do. The dollar's so bullish, so I'm not gonna focus on EU and GU. Let me turn down the music a little bit, sorry. No MJH voice, bro. No. Oh, yeah, that's what you mean. I was almost glad you thought it was me, but no, that's ICT, of course. Good morning, Bonifacio, Jean-Philippe, and Danny back again. Alright, so let's not look at EU and GU, because me no like. So for now, we have some bullish order flow on the 15 on GJ. We're respecting 1 hour for value gaps. We just tapped into this one, so as soon as we're disrespecting this, we're definitely gonna draw up here, because the new trading range should be this. So that's why I'm favoring this premium area to get traded into. But then again, these lows are pretty close already, right? So how many pips did we trade? Oh, we already traded 50 pips above. 60 pip Asia. Yep, so let me remove this line. I want to see this stay respected for us to move up. So let's see how that develops. Can I look at Euro CHF? Yeah, in a second. Do you usually call trades in your live stream? No, I'm not a signal provider. If you want to see like me opening up like a long position and then keeping it on stream, that will probably never happen. Euro JPY. Yeah, should go bearish. Should go bearish. Same as GJ. But I want to see trade up higher first. Cannot wait the good so we can connect to everyone. What? What? Gold needs to tap in the 50-minute fair value gap minus OB still ranging. Yeah, gold is a little bit terrible price action at the moment. It's a little bit terrible. But yesterday I wanted to see price come in here, but it didn't. Didn't come to my alert, but we tapped into the fair value gap. So I guess that was enough for the down move. But yeah. I missed this one, unfortunately. Called oil yesterday higher. The price didn't come into my area. Also missed this one. Super unfortunate. So yeah, what you gonna do? That's unfortunate. I was in a sell on Nasdaq and I had my stop loss up here. Literally. Jesus. Unlucky. Hey, accidental, welcome back, man. Took a GU sell at 836. Closed at Asia low. I mean, nice. Well done. Can I check EU? Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from EU and GU today. Not really feeling those pairs as of late. But we took out Asia High. Oh, sneeze. Asia low, Asia high rate. So continuation bearish looks the highest probable for me. Probably gonna retrace back into daily opening price and then move down. So yeah, that's the most highly likely. Something like this. Now I want to see how this develops. What's the new video topic gonna be about? Institutional order flow or SMT? I think as order flow, because that's the highest voted one in the Telegram. So let's see how this 15-minute and the next 15-minute behaves, and then we'll have some more information. Smart money trader. How are you doing? May I ask what the train track looking like, vertical lines? That's Asia range. So standard deviations. GJ in a fair value gap now. Yep, I'm waiting to see what it does, and then potentially I'm gonna look for something. No Diogo, that's wrong. When a price gets into the fair value gap, what do you look for in lower time frame? First of all, if it's the time frame where the fair value gap is from, I want to see the candle close inside or above it, indicating some sort of a rejection. If it closes below, I'm not so certain we're gonna respect it, so that's what I look for. And if it's respecting, I'm going into the lower time frame to see a structure break or a market structure shift. And there needs to be displacement in the form of a fair value gap. So if that's present, then there's an opportunity. Do you think GU will retrace to the daily high before continuing bearish? I mean, we already took out. I mean, I don't know what to make of this. This is just so bearish. And ICT even says if there are three consecutive bearish candles on the daily, don't look for sells anymore. But dollar is so bullish right now, it's annoying to trade with. So this 15-minute closes in 2 minutes. So it's gonna be interesting to see. So yeah, let me look at the poll in a Telegram. Yeah, so 44% voted for institutional order flow. So that's 101 votes. So 231 people voted. SMT is still on the tables for later, but institutional order flow is going to be the next video. Ooh, we're definitely not gonna respect it by the looks of it. So that's why you wait for candle closure, right? You can buy instantly here and lose because you're not waiting for a candle to close. Mm. USD CHF. Yeah, dollar is bullish, so we're trading through all kinds of stuff. So I would not look for sells against the dollar. It will just continue down. Right, let me look for some chiller music because this right, GJ. What are you up to today? He was hoping for SMT. Yeah, it will be the next one, probably. Why are you using trend line to determine where the liquidity is? So I expect this whole area to get liquidated. So price should destroy every touch of this trend line. I probably would have gone short GJ after seeing retracement to 15-minute OB and fair value gap. Yep. I mean, yeah, but there was no confirmed bearish order flow yet, short term, so I was not looking for it. So USD CAD up and about to take the previous daily high. Dollar bullish. So next target is up here. Yeah, sell opportunities are so precise. Yep. Yeah, once you get a good entry and the order flow is bearish, if you can stack entries, that's nice, but that first entry is probably going to be the one that pays a lot. Just doesn't stop. Tom, question about your perspective about NAS. Did you see an entry after stock open? Like today, stock is not open yet, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I was looking at this area, but I got stopped out because I used this one and I had my stop up here. So it's kind of unfortunate, but so I went in over here. Well, you can see it. I'll show you. Right. Pretty fun. It's this one. So I had my stop a little bit too tight. So yeah, that sucks a little bit, but whatever. It's whatever. Yesterday, you're expecting a long for USD CAD? Yeah, I'm not gonna bet against the dollar. Dollar is too bullish. But again, we're not coming into areas I would like it to go. So this week is a pretty slow for me. Same with oil yesterday, right? Did not come into my area, but it almost went into it. So I missed this one. Gold, same thing. It went into my area, but not where I would like it to go, and then dropped. Oh, NAS hurts my eyes. Damn. Oh, that's so unfortunate, man. I even gave it some room to breathe, but I guess I should have put my stop 1 pip higher. Yikes. Why did you short NAS? Because I think it should move bearish. Because we have this volume imbalance which needs to be rebalanced. This area has been tapped into, so this is a protected high, in my opinion. This order block still unmitigated, but we reacted off a mitigation block and a small fair value gap, so that's the reason for shorts. Yeah, this is a fun one as well. I was in a sell yesterday, but it took me out break even, and now we're dropping again, so lovely week so far. Yeah, it's fine. Was the NAS your biggest trade missed this month? I missed big trades almost every week. No, my UCAT was the biggest trade I missed this month because I called a buy from this wick, literally this wick. So this is probably the biggest. 360 pips away from this wick. So unfortunate. So GJ is not gonna give an entry, apparently. Might still be a chance. What the fuck is going on, EU, bro? Our money is by the dollars. Yeah, dollar is too bullish, man. There's no, and it doesn't even give an entry. So that's why it's annoying that DXY is so bullish. I mean, if you're a swing trader, it's payday. Cause look at the daily, this fair value gap. Swing traders are having a good time right now. Have you a setup for Euro USD? Nope. Nope. Unfortunately not. Same with UCAT. It's just, I mean, there was potentially an entry here, but I didn't look at the 5-minute time frame, but you can see this order block unmitigated. This is a detail I missed this morning, I guess. I was looking at the 15-minute time frame. 5 minutes had that order block, which is unmitigated. Hopefully we'll all catch an even bigger trade next month. Yeah. I mean, I'm good with catching a lot of small trades, but one big one is nice, of course, too. How did you bring the MetaTrader chart to the TradingView window? I copied it. I just made a snapshot. What are your thoughts on GA? Bearish. Yeah, so we had a market maker buy model complete, original consolidation, right? Smart money reversal, reaccumulation, accumulation. Oh, hold on, my dog is puking. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Jeez. So, like I was saying, original consolidation has been completed, this market maker buy model. So we tapped into a daily fair value gap, right? So bearish order floor is coming in right now. We have sort of a little bit of a trend line going on. Everything is rebalanced, so I don't expect it to trade much higher than here. So yeah, order flow is definitely bearish on this one. This is rebalanced too. Yeah, he's fine. The dog is fine. He has a weak stomach. OTE levels, internal range liquidity purge. Should go bearish. Alright, what's going on with GJ? I feel like gold can still go up to the level again. Look at all the equal lows it's leaving on the lower time frame. Yeah, I'm not convinced either. There's not a real there has not been a real mitigation yet, so oh, this hurts my brain, man. It. Guys, losses are part of the game, so I know it can be annoying, especially when you get a loss like this. Look. This wick up here. And then it dropped. Yikes. Ice-T got a new video, yeah. Should watch it. I have not watched it fully yet, but right, so price needs to retrace before this time. So this is this red line. It needs to hit it before, otherwise I'm not interested. I just bought GJ. Should be okay for a retracement. But I'm not going against this order flow, so I'm not gonna look for buys. Wait, what's that mitigation level on gold? I can't see it on my chart. I just see wicks. It's these lows. On the daily. Would actually be good because we can get an entry drill if it would come back to that fair value gap. So actually highly likely. Looks like NAS is rejected by the mitigation block on the hourly. Yeah, it is. And the fair value gap too. A little bit, a poke a little bit into the fair value gap. Have you ever experienced revenge trading? If so, how did you overcome it? Yeah, I've experienced it. When I was retail trading, I did it a lot. How did I overcome it? Suffer through enough pain, and eventually you will stop. And you need to realize it's not gonna help you out. But yeah, suffer through enough pain from losing through revenge trading, and then you should stop eventually. It's got to do with discipline. Can you check gold prices yet to fill the 1 hour fair value gap? Yep, that's what I talked about in a bit. It should still come in here. And that would be a daily entry drill. So this high probable area for me still. But it's consolidating right now. So this could be AMD model too. So you can have like a accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution down. So I gotta sell on NAS right below the wick. Which one? Like this one? Or this one? No problem, Perimol. No problem. All right. Right. Oh, somebody sent a chart. I didn't even look at it. Let me see. Roca. Is an OB mitigated when price hits the associated fair value gap or the OB itself? The OB needs to be hit. The PD array you want to get want to see mitigated needs to get hit. NAS is getting back to the inside of 50 fib from opening timeline. Yeah, this area is still unmitigated, so we can still run into it. But this is a London session for indices, so I'm not sure how it moves. I mean, I can see why retail live streams are more interesting because they do breakout trades a lot, right? So they are done in like 3 minutes, but we have to be patient as ICT concept traders for the right things to happen. This is what I'm expecting for GJ, so I will keep my eye on this. AUD JPY approaching 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, this one. Yeah, JPY should be bullish, so that's why I'm expecting GJ to go down too. And of course AUD Euro, all coupled with JPY should go down. If yesterday daily candle is inside bar, do you consider them for PDH, PDL, or will you go day before yesterday candle? No, I will use the same. I will use the inside bar. Most of the time when you have an inside bar, there's gonna be a big expansion the next day. So your bias, you have to determine your bias first for your inside bar. And then trade accordingly. And that's going to be a big expansion most of the time. US 500 has respected 4-hour plus OB, so Nasdaq may still go bullish from, yeah. Yeah, it's also London session indices, so. Oh, we took the lows on Nasdaq already. But not on US 500, so. That's interesting. No problem, Paramal. What's my preferred way of determining daily bias? I've got a daily bias video on my YouTube. That's how I do it every day. So I will look back for old swing highs and lows and then look at the PD arrays which are respected in short. And then I will take a trade accordingly and have my bias determined like that. Alright, I just noticed on the 1 hour. Yeah, let's see what happens. I have a video suggestion, characteristics of London New York Hill Zone in a simplified way. Yeah, a London session is probably the hardest session to trade. Some of you guys might have noticed that because London is prone to manipulate and do liquidity runs more than New York session. And again, if you have the information from London session when you're trading a New York session, you probably have a better idea what the daily template could be, the daily profile. So right now it's a little bit hard because we took Asia high, we broke down, we created a new dealing range. So I expect it to go bearish. But then you go to the 4 hour and you have a new range here and the fair value gap up in premium. But this one is already rebalanced, so it might just go down from here because we're already so close to this equal lows, right? Down here. So it doesn't really need to go up there all the way. And it would be also 100 pip from daily opening, I think. Yeah, even more. So that's why this could be potential too. So I'm waiting to see how price behaves. There was a fair value gap inside the H4 plus OB that US 500 hit. Yeah, that's precision. Algo stuff. Guys, if you haven't already, before GJ hits this price point, you need to hit the like button, otherwise it won't reject from here. And we want it to reject from here, right? So, just kidding, of course. But hit that like button for me. I would appreciate it. Right, so now let's see what's going on. Chef cooking up a storm. Yeah. You're really awesome. Doubts cleared. Did you have doubts? I'm glad. I'm glad I could take them away, Perimal. And you need to do it on 2 accounts for better RR. Yeah. True. What can be the target? The target should be these equal lows around 159. These lows, these two. Guys who are in the Telegram for a longer time know I was watching these lows since they were created after this swing. So up here, when we accumulated. Some guys might remember I thought this was accumulation, manipulation, and then distribute down to take out the low, but we just kept on going and going and going. So yeah. But we finally formed a smart money reversal, so it is bearish order flow right now. Right. Let's keep an eye on this. Nine minutes, then the hourly candle closes to, so that's actually good. I started watching OTE series. I'm good with entry and stop loss placement, but I am unclear on collapsing the trade. Yeah, the points where you want to take profits are higher time frame point of interest where it could reject from. So old lows, old highs, fair value gaps, order blocks are mitigated. So for instance, say you were in a let me take this example. I was in a sell up here and there was a unmitigated order block somewhere down here. So you take profit there, or you take little profits when they hit the fair value gaps. So on the 4 hour, well, we gotta pay attention. Pay the trader always. Yep. Right, we've got to wait for this hour to close first. So let's see. Do I ever look at UJ when trading GJ? No, actually not. So we need to wait. It's not clear yet. So right now the hourly candle is bullish. You cannot see it right now on my screen, but I have another screen with a chart open for the 1 hour time frame. So we have to wait a little bit. No, Mohammed is not, it's not rejecting yet. Gotta patiently wait to see something form. The XY retracing in the order block maybe for more upside. Yeah, there should be more upside. Alright, 2 minutes, then the hourly candle closes. Right, new hourly candle open right now. gold is running down. Yep, as expected. Draw liquidity is still like down here, so what do you think about GJ now? I'm waiting. I am waiting. We're in premium right now, so and the kill zone is still 1 hour. We still have an hour for some probable price action. I'm not speaking too much because I'm watching price, guys. Trying to be focused. When you guys look at this, those who are ICT concept traders, what do you want to see when you look at this chart right now? What would be favorable? Back up to the 1 minute OB. This one? No. No, no, sir. Don't want to see that. Bullish PDRA is being ignored. Yes, exactly. A rejection to the upside from this 5-minute fair value gap. Well, if we're looking for sells, I don't really want to see a rejection from here. Make a fair value gap on the 1 minute. Yes. Yes, Mohammed. Or Ahmed. Closing down a 5-minute fair value gap. You want to see displacement through this 5-minute fair value gap. That's what I want to see. Like a swift run. Now we're just kind of tickling it. For a buy, yeah, for a buy you want to see it respected, of course, yes. But I'm not looking for buys. It's Mohammed Ahmed. Oh, okay. Now I know. A quick down move to bonus is what he usually says, yes. Away from the OTE level, yeah. You want to see displacement. I want to see displacement with a fair value gap, yep. So it would be more favorable if this 1 minute closed like down here. Or this next one could close like down here. Then we have a small up wick and another move down. And stop before this gets hit. Then trade back into that small fair value gap and drop. That's what I want to see. Right, so it needs to close a little bit lower, would be favorable. I mean, sometimes you cannot see an ideal setup on the lower time frame. That's why you gotta stick with your higher time frame. Because on the lower time frame you might miss it. What is this music? What the hell? I think it's doing what we want. I hope so. If that 1 hour one fair value gap has been tested and DXY is supposed to take out those highs, then surely the target will be way below that. For which pair? So new 5-minute candle is opening. Now let's not look at the 1 minute fair value gaps because those are not as strong as a higher time frame, right? So let me put on the 5-minute. When it hits this line, it should be rebalanced. And then it should go down. Potential order block creation right now. So if this displays down, then this is an order block. No, we're not seeing an ideal setup in this current time. This is correct, JR. Not on the lower time frame. Now it needs to displace heavily for a nice setup. Is there? Can you guys hear the music, or is it too low? If price close inside the fair value gap, then create another fair value gap for sell model. That's what we want to see. Yep. Yes. Now it needs to drop within the next few minutes, otherwise it's gonna be... Price action is a little bit too slow then. New 15-minute candle 2 in 2 minutes. Music is fine, okay. Gold took the old low. Yeah. Damn. Well, target has been met for this price action at least. Got a small accumulation going on here, so 30 seconds, new 15-minute candle. Five-minute fair value gap holding on right now. See, that's why we wait. We need to wait. Do you think EU can get to 105,800? I mean, yeah. Yeah. I think so. DXY is still bullish, so high chances. Still hang around in premium, guys, so price action is a little bit slow. So ideally you would want to see a trade through this, revisit, then drop, OTE, drop. That's what you want to see. Patience, man. Holy shit. This moves slow. Rate of Asia low, Asia high. I'm still expecting a little bit more downside, but yeah. this 4 hours probably gonna close still inside this fair value gap. Let's see. GU and EU are dead. Yeah, everything is slowing down right now, so that's probably because of the time. It's almost like in half an hour it's London lunch, I think, or 2 hours. But most of the time around this time it starts to slow down a little bit. Yes, still price action is not favorable. But we're still holding on to this 1 hour fair value gap, as you can see, this one. See, the bodies are still closing below, so this indicates still there's no bullish pressure at the moment. Now we tapped into this fair value gap again. Looks like a liquidity run, but yeah, overall the target is really close, so I would not expect it to run higher. Can you use GJ and EJ for SMT? Yeah. Yes. Gotta go to the toilet real quick. Be right back. I'm back. Wait, am I missing the price action? Right, it's indicating some bearishness right now, so that's good. Wat doe je? Dropping once I left. I need to leave more often, I guess. So we're anticipating bearishness, right? So we're seeing a little bit of signs right now. This would be favorable. $30 gonna close soon too, so when we look at the 30 minutes, it's a bearish candle. One hour still going bearish. Alright, new 30-minute opening. Should wick up and then move down. Is this rejecting from a 4-hour OB? No, it's a 1-hour fair value gap, I think. On GJ. Lately I see plenty of head and shoulders patterns. Yeah, there are a lot of them. And entry drill. Entry drill. Okay, so now we need to trade through this. You see how every time price gets into a fair value gap, it has a little bit of a struggle, right? That's normal because it's rebalancing. So filling in orders which were not provided on the buy side of the curve. So you see little snaps back every time it gets filled on an algorithmic perspective. So don't get scared. Did anyone catch an entry? Let me know in the YouTube in the chat. Why not the entry on the top fair value gap on the 1 minute? Because it already entered on this one. So Algo now delivered this 5 minute fair value gap. So you really want to see it close below it. Again, we're gonna probably close inside it because we have 6 seconds left for this one. Yeah, so we're closing inside. Yes, I got an entry at the 5 minute closure of the candle. Like this one, or this one up here. Closing inside. No, we need to close, it needs to close below, and then we're gonna go into the next one. So that's how I monitor it. So when this gets passed on the 5, we're gonna go into this one, and then we're gonna take out the old low. But every time you're gonna see a little bit of a reaction. Just like the other one, like this one, it closed outside again, but then broke it. Now we're in this one, we could close outside, but then drop down again. This body candle is still being respected on the 1 minute, so you have a limit at 167.8. Alright, good luck. I don't think it will come there. Or at least it shouldn't come there. USD CAD 3 pushes up right now at 15 minute fair value, but displacement was not so strong. I mean, yeah, there's no real entry right now, so. It's 1 minute still closing inside this body, so. You want to see this next candle trade down, otherwise it's gonna go into this area. And on the 5 it's a fair value gap too, so. Yeah, that's not another convincing close on the 1 minute, so. And on the 5 minute you're potentially creating a new order block, which it could trade down to and then trade back into and then move down further. So this bullish candle might see as a rejection, but could be a potential new order block when it moves down. Alright guys, I need to head off. So I'll keep an eye on this one, but yeah, target should still be bearish. So price action is pretty slow right now, guys, because of the time. But yeah, I'll update in the Telegram if I see something. If you're not in the Telegram, it's the OTE Trader, of course, OTE's Chart Lab. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube, hit the subscribe button for more live streams. We're gonna do a lot more live streams. Tomorrow's New York session live stream and Friday too. So we're gonna probably do every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday New York, and then every Wednesday we're gonna do a London session. So yeah, keep posted, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Alright, take care.